What is tire truing? Most drivers have no idea this exists, but it can fix one of the most annoying problems your car can have. It's called tire truing. And no, it's not balancing, it's something much more precise. If your car vibrates at certain speeds, even after balancing the tires, your problem might not be the wheels. It might be the tire itself. Some tires come from the factory just a little imperfect, not dangerous, but not perfectly round. So, what tire truing actually is? Tire truing is a process where a technician shaves the tire, yes, literally shaves it, to make it perfectly round again. A special machine spins the tire, finds the high spots, and cuts off tiny layers of rubber with surgical accuracy. We're talking fractions of a millimeter. Question is why it matters. A perfectly round tire means no more vibrations, better ride comfort, more even wear, and a quieter drive. It's especially useful for classic cars, big off-road tires, retreaded truck tires, and cars that still shake, even after a balance and alignment. Then why you've probably never heard of it. Modern tires are manufactured way better than they used to be, so tire truing isn't common anymore. But when balancing fails and the vibration just won't go away, this is the secret weapon that solves it almost every time. So the next time your car vibrates and no mechanic can figure it out, ask them about tire truing. It might be the tiny fix that makes a big difference. Subscribe for more car knowledge.